Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a poll on X or Twitter. It's really simple and easy. First of all, you just have to open the Twitter or X application in your mobile and then tap on the profile picture in the top left corner. And now we need to simply tap on this profile option here. And now we are on our profile. Now we can make a poll here by clicking on this blue plus sign in the bottom right corner, and you can see these options here. You can see these options in bottom, so you have to choose this little poll icon beside this gif icon. Tap on it and now we can create a poll. First of all, just ask the question, who is best? And in the first choice I am going for Ronaldo, and the second is Messi. And you can also add some new options if you want by clicking on this blue plus sign. For example, if someone don't want to, we can change the poll length by clicking on this poll length, and as you can see we can change it for a week and then hours and then minute. Tap on this set and then you just have to simply tap on this post in the top right corner and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.